I like using analogies. They can be flawed, but I think they can be illuminating. So if I like to think of civic technology as, let's say we invented writing. Right? Let's say a bunch of smart people, we got together and we invented writing, and we're now sitting with this tool in our hands, this methodology that's doing something. And it feels like sometimes what we're asking funders is, fund us writing so that writing is sustainable, which doesn't make sense, right? And then we go to activist organizations, they come to us, or we go to them and we say, we're going to use writing and it'll solve all the problems. And these organizations go, that sounds awesome because it's the new cool, brilliant, let's do it. And they don't know what to do with the writing, right? Fair enough, they don't know because this is the first time they've used it. And so they try it, and they get a little bit wrong because that's what you do when you try something for the first time, right? And then over time, we keep trying it, and slowly, civic tech meetups disappear because writing becomes this thing that everyone does, and we work out how to do it well, and we work out how to apply this methodology. And we can't leapfrog that process, I don't think. I think we need to be aware of where we are in it, but we can't jump ahead. And I think we're still in those early stages. We're shopping around this thing called writing. And it sounds laughable, but I really, we'll look back in 100 years and go, well, obviously, this is core to how we do everything now. And we're in those early stages, and writing will be specialized. There'll be people who do pamphlets and posters, and, people work out how to use writing to, write operas and plays, and it'll be, there's this whole network that'll open up, this whole opportunity of people finding sustainable ways of using writing. And we're there, we're starting to work out what that is. So it's frustrating, it's scary, it sometimes seems obvious to us, and to other people it's completely non-obvious. I think we have to be aware of where we are in that process and how we can learn from other new technologies in the past and how those things became just the stock standard part of our culture and our way of doing business in order for us to move forward and actually use civic technology to have the impact we all believe it can have. And we